Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can screen record on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. For that you need to go to your drop down menu and then click on screen recorder here. And screen recorder will have access to the info on your screen or plate from your phone while recording. This can include passwords, payment details, pictures, messages and more. Then you have the option to capture sound as well. You can say non-media and media and mic so that your voice will be recorded as well. And you can also say to show taps and touches. Now we can say start recording. We have a little countdown. And now you can see that it shows my touches and it also, should record my voice. If we click on that little pencil, we can also draw on our screen. And if we click on that little symbol here, the selfie camera will be activated. We can disable that again, and we can also disable the pencil again. And now we can pause this video and we can stop it here. Recording saved, so now we can go to our gallery and here we have our screen recording now. And it also should record my voice. You can hear my voice as well. Now you also have the option to edit your video again. You can crop it, cut it, put fillers on it, whatever you like. Then you can just go back or save your screen recording. So that's how you can screen record on your Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.